Hello everyone! Welcome back in our new video where we watch useful real-life English conversations. Make sure to comment below what conversations you want next, and also subscribe for more content. Selling food in the park? What happened?
You can't sell food here.
Why not?
This park has rules.
I only have snacks.
Food sales need permit.
I did not know.
Did you ask office?
No, I just came.
That can cause trouble.
But people wanted food.
I understand that.
I wanted extra money.
You can apply later.
Apply for what?
A selling permit.
Where I apply.
Say, where do I apply?
Where do I apply?
At the city office.
That sounds slow.
Better than a fine.
A fine, too?
Yes, maybe.
Then no sandwiches today.
Smart choice.
Can I eat them?
Of course.
Then lunch business ends.
But lunch continues.
Good, I was hungry. Food on the plane? Hello.
Excuse me, can I have food?
Of course. What would you like?
Chicken meal, please?
Sure, one chicken meal.
Can I have water too?
Yes. Still or sparkling?
Still water, please.
All right, I'll bring it.
Is this meal spicy?
No, not very spicy.
Good. I don't like spicy food.
Then this is perfect.
Do you have bread?
Yes, here you are.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Can I get dessert?
Yes, cake or fruit.
I'll take cake.
Great choice.
This smells really good.
Fresh meals today.
Can I eat now?
Yes, enjoy your meal.
This flight feels better now.
Food helps sometimes. At the gym? Hello?
Welcome to Fitness Plus. First time?
Yes, first time. I am intimidated.
Don't worry. Everyone here is nice.
What should I do first?
You fill this form. Your fitness goals?
I want to lose weight. Get strong.
Perfect goals. Very achievable.
Do I need a trainer?
Not necessary, but trainers help you. 1 hour?
How much money for a trainer?
$50 per hour. Very good.
That is expensive for me.
You can start without a trainer. Come 3 times.
Okay, that sounds good plan.
I show you the machines now?
Yes, please. Thank you very much.
Come, the treadmill is over there.
Okay, I am a little excited. Asking for directions? Oh no!
Excuse me? Can I help?
I am lost. I want the hospital.
The hospital? Which hospital?
The big one near downtown.
Harborview? That hospital?
Yes. Is that close?
No, maybe 2 miles. You need a taxi.
2 miles? That is far?
Not very far. Taxis are quick. 5 minutes.
But I have no money for a taxi.
You can take the bus, number 7.
Number 7? Where is the bus?
1 block, that direction. Red bus stop.
Thank you. How much does the bus cost?
$2.50. You have coins?
Yes, I have. Thank you so much.
Good luck. Be safe.
Goodbye. Returning clothes to a store. Hi.
Hello. How can I help you?
I want to return this shirt.
Why? Is there a problem?
The size is wrong. Too big.
Do you have the receipt?
Yes, here is the receipt.
Perfect. This is from last week.
Can I exchange or get money back?
Both options. You want a different size?
Yes, smaller size. Do you have any?
We have small. Same color?
Yes, small and black.
One moment, I get it.
Thank you. You are very fast.
Here, new shirt. Perfect size?
Yes, perfect. Thank you so much.
No problem. Come again.
Goodbye. At the hotel check-in. Hello.
Welcome to Royale Hotel. Your reservation?
Yes, my name is Svetlana Petrov.
Petrov. How many nights?
3 nights. Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
3 nights. Room for one person?
Yes, 1 person, just me.
Perfect. That's £390.
Already paid? I paid online.
Yes, you paid already. Good.
Good. What time is breakfast?
Breakfast is 7 to 10 downstairs.
7 to 10. Understood.
Room number 215, second floor.
Thank you. Is there a lift?
Yes, the elevator is that way.
Thank you very much. Very helpful.
Enjoy your stay, Svetlana.
I will. Goodbye. Booking a hotel room. Good morning.
Good morning. Park Plaza Hotel.
Hello. I want to book 1 room, please.
Of course. What dates do you need?
Next month, July 1st to 5th.
July 1st to 5th? That's 4 nights?
Yes, 4 nights.
How many people in the room?
1 person, just me.
1 person. Double bed or single bed?
Double bed, please. More comfortable.
Good choice. That's $140 per night.
$140 per night?
Yes. 4 nights is $560 total.
Okay, that is good price.
Your name and email, please.
EMMA.
Email address?
EMMA@gmail.com.
Perfect. Booking confirmed. Confirmation sent to email.
Thank you very much. Lost and found at airport. Good morning.
Good morning. Lost and found.
Hello, I lost my bag.
Okay, don't worry. Describe the bag.
It's brown, leather, big bag.
Brown leather bag. When you lost?
Maybe 1 hour ago, in the bathroom.
Bathroom? Which bathroom?
The one near the gate. Gate 10?
Gate 10. Let me check.
Do you see anything?
Yes, 1 brown bag here.
Really? That is mine.
What is inside? Tell me.
Passport, ticket, and shoes. New shoes.
I see passport and, yes, shoes.
Oh, thank God. Thank you.
Glad I help. Be more careful.
I will. Thank you so much. At the train station. Hello, excuse me?
Need help with a ticket?
Yes, I want to go to Manchester.
Manchester. That's easy. Where's your ticket?
I don't have a ticket yet.
Go to the ticket window. That way.
How much does it cost?
Depends. Today or tomorrow?
Today. Maybe 2 hours.
2 hours today is maybe £30.
30 pounds? That is expensive.
Not expensive. Weekends are more expensive.
How long is the train journey?
Manchester 1 hour 40 minutes. Very quick.
Good. What platform?
Check the big board, where it says,
Okay. Thank you very much.
"Have a safe trip."
Goodbye. Buying shoes at a store. Hello.
Welcome to Nike. What are you looking for?
I want running shoes for exercise.
Running shoes. Perfect. What size?
I think size 7, American size.
Let me see your foot.
Here, is that okay?
Yes, yes. Size 7 is good.
What do you recommend?
These are very popular, very comfortable.
They feel nice.
Good. How is the fit?
Perfect fit. Not too tight, not loose.
Excellent. You want to buy it?
How much is the price?
$120.
That is good price?
Very good. The original price is $150.
Okay, I will buy these.
Great choice. Come with me.
At the post office. Good morning.
Good morning. How can I help?
I want to send this package. Japan.
To Japan? Okay. It's heavy?
A little heavy. Maybe 1 kilogram.
1 kilogram. Good. That's manageable.
How long is it in Japan?
Slow mail is 3 weeks. Fast is 1 week.
What is the price difference?
Slow is $25. Fast is $50.
$50. That is very expensive.
Yes, fast is expensive. You want slow?
Yes, slow. 3 weeks is okay.
What is inside?
Books. Just books. Nothing dangerous.
Books. Destination address in Japan?
Tokyo 56234.
Got it. That's $25 total.
Here. Thank you. Car rental. Hi.
Welcome to Hertz. Rent a car today?
Yes, I need a car for 1 week.
1 week. What type of car?
Something small? Good for the city?
This car. Honda Civic. Very popular.
Is it a good car?
Excellent. Good gas. Reliable. Safe.
How much per day?
$45 per day.
1 week is $300?
Exactly. Plus insurance. Maybe 50 more.
Insurance? Do I need insurance?
Not required, but recommended. Protect the car.
Is it safe without insurance?
Your responsibility. If there is an accident, you pay.
Okay, I buy insurance. Safe choice.
Good decision. Let's do paperwork.
Thank you. At the gas station. Hello?
First time here?
Yes, I don't know what to do.
You fill the car with gas. Simple.
Where is the thing?
Pop the panel. Left side.
Oh, I see it. Like this?
Yes. Now open the cap.
Okay, now what?
Pick one pump. They are different.
What is regular? Plus? Premium?
Regular is cheap. Premium is expensive. Better quality.
I want regular. Is it good?
Regular is fine. Most people use it.
Like this?
Yes. Now squeeze. It's automatic. Stop at beep.
How much do I need?
It will tell you. Don't fill too much.
Okay, thank you. This is confusing.
First time, always confusing.
Renting a bicycle. Hi.
Hello. Want to rent a bike?
Yes, I want to ride this city.
Great choice. How long do you need?
The whole day. 8 hours?
8 hours. That's 30 euros.
30? That's good price.
This bike, brand new. Very good.
Is it safe? The streets?
Very safe. Everyone rides bikes here.
I haven't ridden a bike in a long time.
You remember, like swimming. Never forget.
But I need a helmet, yes?
Of course. Here, safety first.
Good. What time do I return?
Before 6 o'clock, this place here.
Okay, I understand. Thank you.
Have fun. Enjoy Amsterdam.
I will. Bye. At the hair salon. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Welcome to Bella's.
Thank you. I want a haircut.
Just a cut or color too?
Maybe just cut. Not too short.
Show me your style. What do you want?
I want longer in front, shorter in back.
Long in front. I know that style.
Is that popular now?
Very popular. Young and modern.
Good. How long is the cut?
30 minutes. Very quick.
Okay. I sit here?
Yes, that chair. Very comfortable.
Thank you. This is my first time here.
Don't worry. You will love it.
I hope so. Thank you.